Hi all, I'm going to show you today how to access our ebooks via MackinVia. So if you start off at the Fern Bluff Elementary page and you click on Library, you'll click on Research Resources, and it'll bring you to all of the resources that you have access to. Today I'm just going to show you MackinVia. It's right here. It will prompt you for our school name, so you'll just start typing Fern. There aren't too many Fern Bluffs, so once you get to here, we're the only choice. Go ahead and click on it. This part right here will be your S number, students, without the S. For me, it's going to be my E number. And then your password is the same number. It is also your student ID number without the S, just the number. If you don't know your number, go ahead and email me and I will provide you with it. I'm going to log in. These are all of our ebooks that we have available. Right now, you can check out, I think, it's up to like 4 or 5 books at a time. You can just look at them or you can actually check them out. They are yours for a week. If you want to keep them for longer, you're going to have to go back in and recheck them. But there are so many books available to you right now, so don't feel like we're running out of anything. If you need to search for a title, you just go up here to the search menu and you can type in Wimpy. See if we have any Wimpy Kid books. Oh my goodness, we do. All right, here. Okay. We also have audiobooks available. You can access the databases through here. You can search by categories. There's lots of different options. I encourage you to try this out. Read a few ebooks. Let me know if you have any troubles at all.